Hi guys, and welcome back to It's Erin. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. Happy New Year to all of you. Today I want to do a really quick video on the ways that you can charge your Tesla. The first way that you can charge your Tesla is by just plugging it into a regular home charger. That's how it comes when you buy it, okay? And that's the free way. And normally if you were to plug that into the regular wall or a house outlet, that's going to take you about 2 days to charge at approximately 5 kilometers an hour. The second way is to buy one of these home chargers right there, which is extra from the Tesla car. And normally they're sold out at Tesla because they're so popular, but they charge at approximately 75 kilometers an hour. So I can charge my Tesla full up to about 354 kilometers in about 4 hours. Normally I leave my Tesla to about 80 kilometers and then I'll charge it. So I'll drive around here and then I'll plug it in when it's at about 80 kilometers. So therefore, using that charger right there, that's going to charge in a few hours. And the third way that I'm going to show you is a really fun way as well, is taking it to a supercharger. So the supercharger way is just how it sounds. It's a supercharger. It charges really fast, and then you normally find there's not a lot of supercharging stations. You normally find them like near a mall or somewhere, and then I can take my car to the supercharger and charge it up in about 30 minutes. So really fast. It's a supercharger. So I'm going to go there now. Normally in your Tesla app, when you go on Supercharge, it'll show you all of the locations where you want to go, and it'll actually tell you in the app how many chargers are available right now. Before you drive 10 minutes to the supercharger, it'll actually tell you before you go how many supercharging spots are free. So when I say the app, you can use the app on your phone for the Tesla, or you can also use your screen in the car. So right now I'll get in the car and I'll show you on the screen and in my app how many stations are free at this moment, and then we'll drive there, and while we're there, I'm going to show you all the fun things in the car, in the toy box, of what we can do while we're waiting for our car to charge. Okay, so now I'm off to the supercharger, and I'm going to show you on the screen where the superchargers are. They're going to be red. It's going to show how many superchargers are available right now. Okay? So I reached the supercharging station here, and it looks like there's a lot of cars charging right now. I'm going to show you in a minute how to start charging from one of these here. So this is amazing. So now that I've backed in, this is where the port is that I'm going to unlock, and I'm going to hook this plug to it. So in my app, I can unlock the charging port. Another way that you can open the charging port of your Tesla is you can take this out, and right here there's a button, and on the button you can just push it and it'll open your charging port. Okay, now that I'm supercharging here, I've got 20 minutes to wait before I'm fully charged. I can go inside to the mall, but I want to make sure that I'm done right when it's finished so that I don't get charged usage from just sitting here. So while I'm here, I'm going to play a game which is in my entertainment here on the screen. So as you can see, there's lots of games to play on here. It is like hilarious. We could play solitaire, cat quest. We can even play this one, beach buggy racing. And I love this one because it's going to be like we're using this steering wheel to play the game. I mean, this is really funny. So let's play the game. Okay, I'm obviously not a gamer and I'm doing my best here. I don't drive like this like this in the real world. At least I have 20 minutes to practice this. Oh my God, I really suck. So while I'm waiting for the car to charge, it's always fun to go here because you can check out all the other exciting new Teslas that everyone has. The S, the X, the Y. So it's really fun to come out here and to meet other Tesla owners, as well to check out the other Tesla cars and see what we can upgrade to in the future. So I'm all finished charging. That was amazing. That was really fun, 20 minutes. I wanted to also say what is so great about this. If you're gonna buy a Tesla and you know somebody with a Tesla, they can share their special link with you and you can get 1,500 kilometers free charging at the Supercharger. So if you don't know anybody, you guys do know me, wink wink. So I can share my description. I can share my link in the description below so that when you buy your Tesla, you'll get your 1,500 kilometers supercharging for free. So I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to charge your Tesla. I will be coming up with other things to show you because the Tesla is so exciting. They're always coming up with new stuff that I can share. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I want to wish you guys a very happy new year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of these exciting videos. Thank you and see you on the next one. Bye. I always like doing these videos, especially about cars, because I'm not a car person, but ever since I bought the Tesla, I'm learning as I go too. And whenever I tell my friends I'm going to the Supercharger, they're like, what is the Supercharger? So I'm like, I had to show you this video on how to supercharge your car, because it's just so fun. So we'll see you on the next one. Bye! I want to show you one really fun thing to end this video. I don't know why it does this, but I want to show you what it does.